Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today, I'm going to make some Italian meatballs. Now, this is an adaptation from the YouTube channel called Laura Spath, S-P-A-T-H. She is a carnivore, and this is a really terrific recipe. I'll put the link to her channel in the description box, and then you can go there and check her out if you want to. So basically, I've got some Italian sausage here. Now, she uses ground beef, but I thought I would try this with Italian sausage. And I want you to see what the ingredients are. It's just pork, Italian seasoning, blended of salt, red pepper, fennel. Let's see, what is the other one there? Paprika, nutmeg, anise, and they put paprika twice. So there you go. So there's no sugar in this, or sweeteners of any kind in this Italian sausage. I've got some shredded cheese. So this is just a mild cheddar. I've got some pork rind crumbs, and I've got 1 egg, and those are the full ingredients for these meatballs. So let's give it a try. But first of all, I want to show you what this sausage looks like. This is what the sausage looks like. This is 1 pound. It's very nice. They make it themselves. I've had it before. It is very, very good. Okay, that's all you do. I just put in the crumbs. I put in the cheese, the egg, the sausage, and now I'm just going to mix it up. That's it. Okay, here's the mixture all mixed up. I just did it with my hands. If you guys have a better, less messy way to do it, then feel free to put it in the comments below. Okay, now I'm going to form these into little meatballs. So this is a tablespoon measure. This is really the best I have to be able to use this. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 tablespoons and I'm going to form it into a meatball. My hands are slightly damp, so that helps. Let me see if I want to make them that size. I think I do. Now, I've got a foil-lined pan here, and I'm going to lay them on it, and then this pan is going to go into the freezer until they are frozen solid. Okay, here we go. I've got 14 meatballs. They're going to go in the freezer until they're frozen solid, and then I will test a few in the air fryer and see what we've got. I think they're going to be really delicious. I've never made these before, but there's a first time for everything. Okay, the meatballs are nicely frozen, which is what we want. So I'm going to put these in a freezer bag, and then I will take a few and we'll cook them up in the air fryer and see how they come out. Okay, the Italian meatballs are done. I put them in the air fryer at 400 degrees and then for 10 minutes, and then after the timer went off, I shook them up to move them around a little bit, and then I put them on right around 10 more minutes because after all, they did go in frozen. So what I have here is some homemade pasta sauce. I made this last summer. I know what's in it, and there's nothing in there that would... There's no seed oils, there's no sugar, there's no nothing in there. That it's just spices and good old tomatoes. I did look it up in case you're interested. This is a half a cup of sauce. It's 12 carbohydrates. So, all right, let's take a bite of these. Okay, let's see. They smell good. I've never made them before, so let's see what happens. They're really good. Okay, I heated up my sauce. Now, I did thicken this sauce up just a little bit because I have no thickeners or anything like that in there. So I thickened it up with some xanthan gum. So let's see. See what we got. That's good. It's really good. I'm real happy with these. Actually, they're perfect. All right, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. You guys be good. Let me know what you think in the comments below and share if you think that it might help somebody else. Okay, love ya. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.